Do you need a preview of a map hosted on your infrastructure? The MapTiler Server Static Maps API is just what you're looking for. You can create images from any map you're running with MapTiler Server by defining the URL parameters. These map images are a great addition to your online receipts. You can decide if the view of your map image will be set by a center point or by bounding box. With the optional scale parameter, you can double the resolution of the map images, ensuring they'll always look sharp on your website. The Static Maps API also supports several formats, including PNG or WebP. You can try out all the options mentioned in this video visually by changing the parameters in the Static Maps generator. Simply adjust things like the size of the map image and see the results instantly. If you found this video useful, please like it. If you want to learn more about the cool things that can be done with maps, subscribe to the channel now.